Rise from the wreck, steel grip, no throne. Burning through the dark, I was born to own. Ash in my lungs and a crown on my head. Queen of the wreck that they left for dead.
Have you ever wanted to turn a song into a full cinematic music video, but ended up bouncing between 5 different AI tools just to generate music, create characters, and sync the clips? Today on Desire, I'm going to show you a platform that completely eliminates that multi-tool juggling. Tunee AI isn't just a basic video generator, it's the ultimate AI music video agent. From full music creation and deep lyric analysis to flawless beat syncing and consistent characters with realistic lip syncing, it does everything in one conversational workflow. In this video, we're going to cover everything step by step. Before we jump in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Desire so you never miss out on cutting-edge AI tutorials. Let's get to the screen. This is the main dashboard of the website, and I've placed the link right down in the description. Here, you can view both the projects you've created and the pre-existing templates. To start, I'll go to the agent section and type this request into the prompt box. K-pop music. Heavy and strong bass, dark, night drive. After writing the prompt, you can use this section to upload a track, an image, or a document to use as a reference. From this tab, we can also select music we've previously created to serve as our reference. Right here, you can select a character to use for your music video, which we will examine separately in a moment. Over here, you can choose your generation models. It offers various music-making models like Mureka V9, Lyria 3, and MiniMax, and you can use any of them to generate your track. I'll leave it on automatic mode for now and click Generate. Once I click Generate, the agent starts processing and thinking. Right at the beginning, it provides us with 3 options to better understand our request so we can choose the one that best fits our vision. If none of these options match your taste, you can type your preference in the box below. I'm going to select the second option here, which is Cyberpunk Synthwave. The tool processes the request for a few moments and proceeds based on our choice. First, it writes out the title, style, and music description separately. Then, it generates the lyrics in a separate section, which you can read right here. If you don't like them, you can request modifications. Finally, it starts generating the music itself, so let's wait a moment for it to finish. Our music is ready, let's take a listen together.
The engine hums a frequency. Reviews full of everything.
The tracks turned out great, and it really depends on your personal preference and what kind of music you are looking for. Now, when you hover your mouse over the track and click on the 3 dots, you can share it, download it, or get it for STEM. You can also get the copyright-free version, though that requires purchasing a plan. Otherwise, on the free tier, you can create up to 12 songs for your personal use. Now, let's return to the main page and use the video generator. When you click on Video, this page opens up. Before we begin, we need to choose a character. I can either select one from the available library or click the plus button to build my own. After clicking that, we get 3 options. You can provide an image and it will generate the surrounding environment for you. You can provide a design/sketch to build an image from scratch, or use the third option which directly enhances your uploaded image. I'm going to use Clone Your Twin to convert my uploaded photo into a music video character. In this section, you can upload your character's photo. I'll just select one of my existing characters from the system and upload it. Once the image is uploaded, I will choose my preferred style from the options, which in this case will be studio shot. Next, you can write a brief description in the prompt box, so I'll type this phrase: studio shot, photography, street style. Here, you can choose from world-renowned image generation models like GPT, Banana, and Seedream. I'm going to stick with GPT-2. Finally, I'll click Create Character and wait for it to generate my avatar. This process takes less than 30 seconds. It has generated my character. As you can see at the top, the Seedance check is active, meaning there are no errors or issues with my image. You can still modify your prompt or click Refine Image to generate an alternative version. Finally, we click Continue and move into the character details. In this section, we pick a name for our character, and I'll choose Sarah. It has also written a biography based on my image, which is quite interesting. Let's click Confirm to proceed. Our character has now been added to the library. I had actually done this before, so I have two characters named Sarah. I will select the one I just created. Now, I'll click on Upload Your Music. Here, you can either browse your library to choose one of your previously generated tracks, upload your own music file, or even use popular trending songs. I have already uploaded a track earlier, so I will select that one.
Rise from the wreck, steel grip, no throne, burning through the dark.
After selecting our music, we click Next Step. The music gets added, and in this section, you can choose how you want it converted into a music video. You can select between one-click MV, freestyle MV, motion control, and shorts. I'll go with one-click MV. Next, you can select the video generation model. There are two models available, Seedance and Happy Horse. I'm going to select Seedance Fast. Finally, we click Create. It brings us to this page, and the agent begins its step-by-step processing and track analysis. It analyzes the music beautifully. If you look closely at the music profile, it has professionally analyzed the musical style and detailed its characteristics. Next, in the Creative Mode section, you can choose the video type, Story MV, Visual MV, or Lip Sync MV. I'll select Story MV. In the Visual Style section, you can pick your preferred style from the presets or describe your desired look manually in the prompt box. In this field, we choose our character, which I've already selected. Next is the video model and quality. I'll select 1080p. Our image generator remains GPT-2, and for the aspect ratio, I will select 16:9, which is optimized for YouTube. Finally, I'll click Confirm Details. The agent begins writing our script. It displays the full script here for you to read. If it's not to your liking, you can change it via the Modify option, and if you approve, just click Confirm. It then starts generating the scenes and validates each sequence using Seedance check. If an error occurs, it automatically retries the process. Next, we click Continue to let the agent keep building the video. Once all the video scenes are generated, we click Create Final Video to render our project. Our video is fully rendered. Let's watch it together.
Rise from the wreck, steel grip, no throne, burning through the dark. I was born to own. Ash in my lungs and a crown on my head. Queen of the wreck that they left for dead.
It turned out to be a very impressive video with great quality. I highly recommend you try it out. To generate this music video, it deducted 138 credits from my account. If you sign up using the link I provided in the description, you can get 200 bonus credits through my invitation link. Now, let's head back to the main page. This time, I want to select the character option from the left menu. When you click it, you enter this dashboard. I've already explained how to create characters earlier in this video. From here, you can directly select your character and convert them into a music video or a lip sync project. I'll click on Lip Sync. Here, you can choose your desired track.
Rise from the wreck.
I'll select the exact same track I just used from the available list. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 3:4 and make sure multiple scenes remains active under the scene mode. In the request box, you can provide a short prompt to specify the setting or unique features of your scene. I'll type in stage and big concert. There are two lip sync models available, Wan 2.7 and InfiniteTalk. I will select the first one, InfiniteTalk. Then, I'll hit Create to enter the agent mode. Once again, after processing and analyzing the track, the tool brings up the previous settings. Just pay attention to the music profile section. It performed another highly accurate analysis, matching the exact profile it generated earlier. In creative mode, I'll keep it on lip sync with multiple scenes, and set the visual style to auto. I've selected my character, and will keep the video model on InfiniteTalk at 720p resolution, using the GPT Image model and the 3:4 aspect ratio we chose earlier. Let's click Confirm Details. It starts generating the script again and writes out a complete storyline for us. Once the script is generated and approved, we click Continue. It creates the scenes for us, and we'll proceed with them. After a short while, it generates the storyboard and creates 2 frames for us. Finally, we click Create Final Video and wait for our video to be built. Our video is ready. Let's watch it together.
Rise from the wreck, steel grip, no throne. Burning through the dark, I was born to own. Ash in my lungs and a crown on my head. Queen of the wreck that they left for dead.
It looks amazing, and the lip syncing was executed perfectly. Now, you can download the video from this button. Also, in the Projects tab, you can view all the projects you've built so far, re-engage with them, and apply any changes you want. As you can see, Tunee AI gives you incredible, streamlined control over every single detail of your music video, managing everything in a highly dynamic and intelligent environment. Don't forget to use the link down in the description and pinned comment to sign up, claim your 200 free sign-up credits, and start stacking your 100 daily login credits to build your own masterpieces. Drop a comment below and let me know which feature impressed you the most. Until next time on Desire, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
From the